yende yabeira unsafe attend muwaziri Kipchumba Murkomen orule advisory ko chiasaba Kenya nga tokorwe intelligence tubatebyo mu kusangerekano itoli chikoba bantaba bakiri ne chibuni birengera bya umbire bimushime
innocent. You know, sometimes I just wonder whether there is any bit of between the instruments of power to control security. Yawe kabona tabanga omingo jugun jegirbo ntamente ko mukungwana nyombana ba, because that's what they're telling us now. Akira chugun chigo take control wa ingito waka de bango ingito ko sogera sikari kuruwa jeshi unabona mshua maambia baja zo kia bange Friday baja so kia banta bange mano abange baguru apparently na baba bugare meligito baba boka is skewed in implement. That is a different story. Because why are we paying them? Now, nkiyokugara ekawa patsarenga asijiguno kachiko to gajeske abantu na saba abandi bare tale siruta na kumurukomera. That tells you ndugwato bole mabo nene na serikali esababu nene etakire basoke yesterday. In fact, ni linga amatuko taba matukazo tubuwango. Uba marabu tagete marabu da ibikora bine bigukona so umuntu akotera likondo butanga bigukwa na twabata binga yugunzinjira ali no yokwana iko na bata interest na maika ngobekele gun asema to kujira chikura ntuchi nyora igende batanga tukuru wan kene na mono abantu babambaje kwangekura igende yanga de nkale kwa ngenda abantu wako ngenda year 1 na wako kwa ngenda year 5. Rero kwenda rero mabi were exposed. In fact, not even mabi kubeki post in the morning mungaso go chambuiro kaera. And I like the way things are working now from the social media, the young people. Abana wali watokonya na wako agent.
Okay.
They are saying about the campaign. I am telling you, if Kenyans want to protect their vote, they will do it around the Karao.
United opposition, campaign.
Well, money is not absolute. If that was true, President Uhuru would have failed.